Hello, I'm Mabel Jung in the New York studios of JagFN.TV, where we produce 8 hours of live, unscripted, up-to-the-minute, unique Wall Street information every market day. You're about to see a brief profile of JagFN.TV, followed by a short market update produced every hour. JagFN.TV is currently streamed to over 200 financial websites and portals and seen in 26 million cable homes on America One. So whether you need 8 hours of live financial programming daily, 2-minute hourly updates, a half-hour market wrap, or anything in between, JagFN.TV is your source.
Hello, I'm John Whitty. For more than a decade, JagNotes has provided Wall Street professionals with leading market research intelligence. JagNotes' daily reports of stock upgrades, downgrades, trading information, and even rumors are indispensable to thousands of Wall Street insiders. Now JagNotes has taken its unique and compelling content to the internet in a new daily webcast targeted to millions of savvy internet investors and financial executives around the world. Market intelligence brought to you not by journalists, but a team of experienced Wall Street professionals.
It's had great sessions. It was up over 9 points yesterday, the drilling index was, and a lot of big movers there, and we should see another big move today in the sector.
Consensus right now is that they're just barely going to get this deal done.
It looks like we're going to have a rough go in the newspaper publishers today. Dow Jones is now another company to warn.
Do you think at these prices, considering the sell-off, based on at least the technical chart, that it may be a good time to get in?
There's not really that much to say about this chart. Right now, just stay long, move your stop up to about 79.5 and enjoy the ride.
I'm glad you're excited about this one, Mabel.
Yeah, it was really great. Thank you.
JagFN, the electronic media company, is located in the financial capital of the world, New York City. Our broadband partner, Digital Island, streams our programming to over 450 server beds worldwide. JagFN has 50 employees representing a mix of veteran broadcast talent and former Wall Street traders. This enables us to cover the markets in a way they've never been covered before, accurately, unscripted, and in real time, delivering to active investors market events and opportunities as they happen at the new speed of trading.
The world doesn't own the NASDAQ. The world is much more diversified, thank God.
The bears say it's no second half recovery. It's a 2002 recovery. If that's the case, we're in the soup right now.
I'm not an economist, I don't know, I'm just a trader. But I cannot believe that technology is 8% of the economy now. I gotta believe it's so much more than that now.
And listen, I had a terrible 98, so I admit it. But we were up 10% last year, and a lot of other investors like us were, so you can make money in this environment.
Our experienced production team oversees the seamless integration of real-time, unscripted market information with professional production values.
You mentioned earlier that I talked to a trader and he saw some buying activity in Motorola, ticker MOT. It was still down on the day at that point, but now it's moved up. It's up on the day, it's up 10 cents at 15.65, so maybe we've seen a bottom in Motorola.
The real trick today is to keep your eye on the S&Ps.
I would think that this sector is going to be absolutely flying on the start this morning.
JagFN webcasts live 8 hours every market day. We are carried on over 200 financial websites and portals, including Juno Online and Lycos. To get ahead of the markets and stay ahead of the markets, join us at JagFN.TV.
I'm Mabel Jung with the JagFN.TV market update. Stocks began the day strong but had trouble holding on to the gains. The Dow finishing up 54 points, the NASDAQ ended 25, while the S&P 500 gained 9 points. There were 19 stocks up for every 11 stocks down on the big board. Total volume just under 1 billion shares. Checking the 5 most active stocks on the NYSE: Motorola, Lucent, EMC, General Electric, and Cendant. Some upbeat comments from Amazon.com, sending that stock up $2.81 to $11.18. Correspondent Kevin Albanese has more.
Mabel, Amazon made an announcement today giving guidance for their Q1. They're now looking for a loss of 22 cents a share versus the street estimates for a loss of 30 cents a share. They've also upped their revenue numbers to $695 million versus the street estimates of $670 million. That's a 21% increase from first quarter 1 year ago. Let's take a look at the technicals with Michael Polinoff.
Yeah, let's look at the Amazon hourly chart. Goes back 2 months. Here you see the low on Friday at $8 right there. Guidance given this morning. Stock gaps up to $12 or $11.91, close to $12. Looks like it's consolidating now between $10 and $12. As long as it stays above $9, it looks like Amazon should curl around and make new highs, creating a short-term low. Back to you, Mabel.
Thank you, Michael. It was also a good day for steel makers. Nucor Steel added $2.20 to $42.56. CS First Boston raising its rating from hold to buy. Up next, all the news you'll need for tomorrow's trading day.
Blue from American Express.
Investors will be on the lookout for more earnings tomorrow. Motorola is expected to report a first quarter loss of 7 cents a share. That's also the whisper number we're hearing. Shares of Motorola finished unchanged at $11.50. And we'll see if Harley-Davidson was able to rev up its bottom line. It's expected to earn 29 cents a share. The whisper number for Harley is calling for 32 cents a share. With this JagFN.TV market update, I'm Mabel Jong.